The future of space exploration. Groundbreaking innovations. Humanity stands at the precipice of a new era in space exploration, with technological advancements making the cosmos more accessible than ever before. From revolutionary launch systems to luxury space tourism, these innovations are shaping the future of interplanetary travel and beyond. Below is an in-depth look at the most significant projects and developments paving the way for a sustainable and expansive human presence in space. Reusable rockets and next-generation launch systems. SpaceX Starship, the future of interplanetary travel. SpaceX's Starship is set to redefine human space travel with its fully reusable design. Towering at 121 meters, 397 feet, and 9 meters, 30 feet in diameter, this cutting-edge spacecraft is powered by 33 Raptor engines in its Super Heavy booster and 6 additional Raptor engines in the Starship itself. Designed for versatility, Starship can transport up to 100 passengers on long-duration interplanetary missions, supporting endeavors to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Its capabilities also extend to satellite deployment, lunar development, and even rapid point-to-point travel on Earth. With its first orbital flight expected in late 2024, Starship is poised to revolutionize space accessibility and affordability, serving as a cornerstone for humanity's future in space. Blue Origin's New Glenn, a heavy-lift workhorse. Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, named in honor of astronaut John Glenn, is a powerful heavy-lift vehicle designed for various missions, including satellite deployment, deep space exploration, and human spaceflight. Standing at an impressive 98 meters, 320 feet, tall and 7 meters, 23 feet in diameter, the two-stage rocket features 7 BE-4 engines in its first stage and 2 BE-3U engines in its second. Set for its maiden launch in late 2024, New Glenn's partially reusable first stage is designed to land on a floating platform, significantly reducing launch costs. This innovation marks a major milestone in making space travel more affordable and sustainable. Rocket Lab Neutron. Rocket, the medium-lift innovator. Rocket Lab's Neutron rocket is revolutionizing space exploration with its partially reusable medium-lift capabilities. Announced in 2021 and scheduled for its first flight in 2025, Neutron stands 42.8 meters, 140 feet tall, and 7 meters, 23 feet in diameter. It utilizes liquid methane and liquid oxygen propellants, with 9 Archimedes engines powering the first stage and 1 in the second. Designed for payload deliveries to low Earth orbit, LEO, and beyond, Neutron supports mega-constellation deployments, deep space missions, and human spaceflight. As part of Rocket Lab's expanding fleet, Neutron represents a key advancement in cost-effective and efficient space access. Spin Launch, revolutionizing satellite deployment. Spin Launch is pioneering an entirely new approach to launching payloads into space. Unlike traditional rockets that rely on massive amounts of fuel, Spin Launch uses a revolutionary kinetic launch system. A giant centrifuge rapidly accelerates payloads before releasing them toward orbit, drastically reducing costs and environmental impact. Having completed successful suborbital test flights, Spin Launch plans to deploy small satellites into orbit by 2026. This innovation could significantly democratize space access, making launches more affordable and environmentally sustainable. Expanding human presence in Space Lunar Gateway Space Station, a stepping stone to Mars. The Lunar Gateway is an international space station set to orbit the Moon as part of NASA's Artemis program. This collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, and the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center, MBRSC, will serve as a communication hub, science laboratory, and habitat for astronauts. Scheduled for its first module launch in 2027, the Gateway will enable long-term lunar exploration and act as a staging point for future missions to Mars, representing a significant step in humanity's deep space ambitions. Vast Haven 1, the first commercial space station. Vast Haven 1 is poised to become the world's first privately operated space station, launching in 2025. Designed to accommodate both private astronauts and government missions, Haven 1 features state-of-the-art accommodations, including personal crew quarters, deployable communal tables, and a breathtaking 1.1-meter dome window for panoramic views of Earth. With a habitable volume of 45 cubic meters, 1,589 cubic feet, and high-speed internet provided by SpaceX's Starlink, the station is ideal for scientific research, space manufacturing, and tourism. This groundbreaking project combines luxury with functionality, paving the way for commercial space habitation. Pioneering space tourism and sustainability enterprises Balloon Trips, the edge of space experience. For those seeking an unparalleled experience, Enterprises Balloon Trips offers stratospheric balloon flights to approximately 100,000 feet, 30 kilometers above Earth. Each Explorer capsule accommodates up to 8 passengers and 2 crew members for a 6 to 8 hour journey. The trip includes a 2-hour ascent, 2 to 4 hours floating at peak altitude, and a 90-minute descent. Designed to provide a profound and transformative view of Earth, these journeys start at $50,000 per seat. Enterprises aims to make this extraordinary experience more accessible, pioneering a new wave of high-altitude space tourism. Virgin Galactic, making space tourism a reality. Founded by Richard Branson, Virgin Galactic is the world's first commercial spaceflight company. Operating from Spaceport America in New Mexico, the company uses its air-launched suborbital spacecraft, VSS Unity, carried by White Knight 2. Virgin Galactic offers passengers an unparalleled experience, providing them with the awe-inspiring overview effect, a transformative perspective of Earth from space. Beyond tourism, Virgin Galactic is committed to inspiring future generations through STEM education and space-related initiatives, making space more accessible for all. Sustainable space colonization and deep space missions. Interstellar Labs Biopods, the future of space agriculture. Interstellar Lab is developing biopods, autonomous, inflatable greenhouses designed to sustain life on Mars. These advanced systems use aeroponics and climate control technology to optimize plant growth while recycling water and nutrients. By enabling sustainable food production in extreme environments, biopods are crucial for future Martian settlements. Their AI-powered management ensures resource efficiency, providing a blueprint for self-sustaining colonies beyond Earth. Polaris Dawn mission, pushing the limits of private spaceflight. Polaris Dawn, a pioneering private spaceflight by SpaceX, launched on September 10, 2024. Led by Jared Isaacman, the mission included Scott Poteet, Sarah Gillis, and Anna Menon. The crew set a record altitude of 1,400 kilometers, 877 hours, the highest ever achieved by a crewed spacecraft. They conducted the first commercial spacewalk using SpaceX-designed spacesuits and tested Starlink laser-based communications in orbit. After nearly 5 days in space, the mission concluded with a successful splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico on September 15, 2024. This milestone advances human spaceflight capabilities and commercial space exploration. Conclusion: a new era of space exploration. With each technological breakthrough, humanity edges closer to a future where space travel is routine, sustainable, and commercially viable. From reusable rockets and kinetic launch systems to luxury space tourism and sustainable habitation solutions, these pioneering advancements promise a transformative future beyond Earth. The coming decades will likely witness unprecedented expansion into space, making what was once the realm of science fiction a tangible reality.